So quick hotel tour here in Dubai. I think we're paying around about 75 Aussie dollars a night here for this place. So a little expensive compared to where we've been, but it's a nice room. It's a small hotel. It's got a television, good air conditioning, which wasn't working when we arrived, but they fixed. Has a refrigerator, tea and coffee making facilities, a safe. It's not a bad hotel. The staff here have been great. We just pop the toilet seat down for, I don't know, tradition. And it's got a small bathroom, shower with just a curtain, but everything's clean. It's pretty cheap for Dubai. Dubai, the hotel rates have been fairly high. So that's what you can hope to find here in Dubai, from about 160 to 200 dirham a night. Yeah, a little bit high, but we are in a big capital city. So today I just want to show you around the part of Dubai that we're in. This is really sort of local, small town Dubai. It's not over by, it's probably 20 minutes from the big Dubai Mall by coach, by bus. But this is where people live and work, and it's fascinating because we've just come from South India and the whole area is full of South Indian food. So when we thought we'd come here and get really sort of unique United Arab Emirates food, we found that samosas and dosas and idli is all available in all of these little restaurants and shops around this area. Now, to give you an idea where we are, I've got a roundabout up here called Fish Roundabout, and there's a big Carrefour shopping centre, and there's some great little eateries along here. Generally, a lot of the shops are opening later in the day, so sort of after midday. And up on the corner, only about maybe 100 meters or so from our hotel, there's a great little falafel shawarma place that Michelle and I quite like going to. Super cheap as well. You get a falafel sandwich for about 3 dirham. They actually do 2 for 6 dirham, so that's under $2 US for a really nice falafel sandwich. They also do chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma is like a sort of rolled kebab. We had these in South India as well, and they do the chicken shawarma for around about 10 dirham for 2. So again, that's around about, it works out about $1.50 I think each. This little place on the corner here, oh, they shut up today. Okay, so I'll film it, but this little place is called Acha Chai. I don't know why, this is the first time they've been closed since we've been here, but they do masala teas, saffron teas, Horlicks, coffee. Tea is about 1 dirham, coffee is 2 dirham. They do a lovely saffron tea, which is delicious. This guy here on the corner, he does all the falafel. Great little falafel place. A little more expensive than the one on the corner, but actually, I have to be fair, his are better quality. But rather than being 3 dirham, it works out 6 dirham there, so double the price. Probably not double the price quality. Now, by staying in this part of Dubai, we've managed to keep the cost of the hotels down to around about 70 Australian. I think that's about closer to 50 US dollars a night for the hotel, so not too bad. Click City Hotel, I'll put the link down below if you want to check it out. If you're coming here for any length of time, accommodation costs are always going to be your expense. Now, here on the corner with this little marquee, this is the place Michelle and I come. It's a nice little sitting out area. Good day, how are you? Nice little sitting out area, and they've got falafel sandwiches. Hello, fella. How are you? So they got falafel sandwiches and chicken shawarma, 10 AD, 6 AD. So pretty good value. Hello, how are you? Can I get
You my photo?
No, not you. I'm doing me. Doing me. Okay. Can I get 2 falafel, please?
Spicy normal.
1 spicy, 1 normal. Take away. Thank you. The lady here is very sweet, but she doesn't like to be filmed, which is good. No problem. I've just ordered a chai. While I'm waiting for them to make the falafel, I'm going to have a lovely sort of spiced Indian chai. And they also do rotisserie. They also do rotisserie chicken. So later on this evening, see it's bright, it's early today. They got the rotisserie chicken going here. And again, the prices for Dubai I thought were really very reasonable. So it's just opposite a big Carrefour supermarket. Carrefour, the French supermarket chain, in that Al Ghurair shopping centre. So a little sweet, and it's like a masala chai, sweet and delicious. 1 dirham for chai, so that works out. You'll have to do the maths for me. Someone let me know what 1 dirham is. Some video of him.
Movie.
Yes.
Sorry, I think.
No, I want some video of him. So finished my tea. Got my 2 falafel. So that's good value, 3 dirham for a falafel, and they're nice. They're a little up and down. There's a lassi store. This guy does fresh lassis. They work out about 5 dirham for a lassi, a yogurt drink. Very strange thing in this neighbourhood, and actually pretty much all the neighbourhoods between here and the old town. Walking along the streets, you'll look on the ground. So there are ladies' business cards all over the floor. From here to, well, for many kilometres around this area. Oh, look, you can tell we're near to the airport. Very close to the airport. The planes are going over and above. So yeah, what's that about? What's that about? I think these are escort ladies that somebody is coming here and throwing these business cards. Look, they're all over the place. So somebody comes along, throws these cards all over the floor. And if you're looking for somebody, lady of the night, to entertain you, I don't know how else to say it really. Look, when I first came here, I thought it was really strange, but I got used to it now. It's like confetti all over the streets. And yeah, I guess whether you're a lady or a guy, you want to pick one of these up and ring the number, you should be talking to whoever this is. The massage, Kerala Spa. I've never looked at them that closely. I actually said to Michelle when we first arrived here, I thought it was a bit seedy, you know, it just sort of felt a bit seedy, but I've stopped noticing them. It's only just then, as I'm talking to you, that I see they're still all over the pavement. So somebody comes along here at night, probably throwing these cards all over the floor. But it's not just here. There's a really nice outdoor sort of restaurant area down this road, and they're all over there, so it must be just something to do with what they do here in Dubai. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the neighbourhood where we've rocked up to. It's probably why the hotel was better priced, because of the location, although I actually think the location's really good. It's been very central. We can walk to Old Dubai from here, get the ferry over to the old city centre. There's lots of good shopping malls. There's loads and loads of great eateries here. So Click City Hotel, it's been good to us. We had a good time here. As you know, we also stayed in the QE2 hotel, and there's a separate video up about that. So I'm heading back now to Click City, just on this corner here. Now I must say, just past this mosque, which you probably can't see ahead of me, there's a mosque just past the end of this sand coloured building, and turn right. I'm not going to go there. Oh yeah, I'll go there. Let me go there and show you, because there's this beautiful bakery. It's just making traditional Arabian flatbreads. But this bread is so good. Simple flour, a little bit of yeast, a little bit of water, a little bit of salt. I'm pretty sure that's the only ingredients they're using. It definitely has a yeast in it. If they're open now, I'll be able to film it, but they're making these fantastic breads, baking them in what looks like a big clay pizza oven, and they're baking all day long. They're 1 dirham for a bread, but my gosh, it's a meal of a bread. It's much cooler in Dubai in this time of year, sort of February, March time, much cooler than I expected it to be. It's actually really nice weather. But just ahead of me is Shams Al Madina Bakery. We've had bread here most days, and we just get our own falafel, a bit of salad. Sometimes we put banana into it, make a sweet roll out of it. But yeah, it's really good bread. Good day, my friend. How are you? Good? These guys are talented. This guy makes this bread every day. You can tell he's so good. And then the guy, they're baking them. See him sliding them into the oven. They're puffing straight up. Bit of flour. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. I hate just filming them for no reason. They're not exactly sure why I'm there filming, but I just wanted to say the bread. I've got more bread now. We didn't really need it, but smelling that bread fresh out of that oven. So now we've got fresh falafel and fresh yeasty Arabic bread. Back at our hotel. So as I say, it's a little bit of a backstreet hotel, but within 50 yards, 50 meters either way, there's lots to see and do. The Indian lad at the reception said, "Oh, they're really good chapatis." He calls them chapatis. They are a chapati, but they're not, because they're definitely got some Arabian influence. A chapati generally is not made with a yeast, and these are, they are a chapati. People will say they're a tortilla. They're not a tortilla. This is a local flatbread. I got some of those breads, Michelle.
Oh, cool.
They're lovely, aren't they?
Oh, it's hot.
Super hot, straight out of the oven. The only one disadvantage of being in these areas, or pretty much anywhere in Dubai, if you can hear me, is that whatever happened to the days before amplification? Wouldn't it have been just a lot nicer without electronic amplification? This has got all the bling, hasn't it? Bling, blingy, bling, bling, bling. Look at this place. And inside,